Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me DJI Osmo Nano, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change brightness on your DJI screen. Guys, it's very easy to change the brightness. To do that, you just should scroll down to open the control panel, and then in control panel click on this button just to open adjusting screen, and here you can adjust the screen brightness. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you, hope it helped, and if it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video to support our channel. Bye, see you.